This is a single gang wall plate with a power over Ethernet cable already ran. The wall mounting plate has two keyholes to align with the single gang's standard screws. At this point, with the wall plate installed over the keyholes aligned with the single gang alignment holes, it is secure and you could tighten these screws down and be done. However, it's going to be a permanent installation. We'll go ahead and use the additional 4 mounting holes around the perimeter. And then the benefit is having these keyholes here, you're pretty well aligned. As long as this box was leveled when it was installed, your plate's going to be level. We'll still check it after these 4 screws. For these 4 holes here, we're really kind of overkilling it. We're using 70-pound each tornado anchors. Could be any kind of anchor, depends on what kind of walls, hitting studs. Typical installation practices. So we make sure our alignment's good and go ahead and tighten down. On the 13-inch SignWave, it has a 100mm VESA mount. In this case, we're going to use these cleats to mount the monitor to. And the frame itself will actually lock it into place. So, on the back of the 13-inch, we'll use truss head 632 screws that will actually be provided with the displays to lock into these cleats. Prior to connecting, you need to make any signal connections that you need. In this case, we got power over Ethernet, so it's only one simple connection. Once the SignWave is connected, you'll see it boot up. Cleats are actually used to align the screen. In there, space centered, everything's ready to go. The outer frame actually has a top and a bottom based on the design of the screen. Wider sections on the bottom, thinner sections on the top. Countersunk screw holes are going to line up with the self-clenching nuts that are installed in the plate. Typical installations will use special locking screws for security. In this case, we're going to use standard 632 Phillips.